Spent 50 million to make the water blue, but physics had a different plan for DC2. Paint rolled down, the camera spun, then sunlight laughed. Let's have some fun. Down in Washington, big plans were seen. Trump said, let's paint Lincoln Memorial Pool blue and clean. $13 million, maybe 15 too. They drained the whole thing just to change its hue. Every penny came from the people's hand. Tariffs climbed and prices fanned. Groceries up, rent on fire. Jobs lost while the bills climbed higher. They paid for paint while wallets bled. Tax on trade and hope misled. The pool turned green, the bills turned red. That's how the cycle feeds its head. Don called his buddy, "You're my guy. Grab the rollers, let's make it fly." No board, no check, just a fast track scene. A handshake deal while the grass stayed green. The paint looked great till the sun hit the floor. Then the lights started doing what the experts warned before. But before the ink could even dry, the physics of the water began to defy. Historically, light dives in and plays its role. Red fades fast, blue